Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, May 2nd, 2024. Let's find out what's going on the Bitcoin to Euro at the daily time frame chart. This is Zondacrypto exchange. So what do we see here from the technical point of view? The breakout below this trend line here, for now it's a horizontal trend line, which is the key technical support. 54,969 has occurred, which means that the market is under the bearish pressure. We've made a new local low at 53,097 euro. So this would be our local level as well. So because those are supports, so let's just change this colors to the back to the green again. Now the market might be under the bearish pressure, but what about the momentum? What about the momentum? What will RSI show us? So the RSI on the daily time frame chart is showing us that almost the extremely oversold conditions were hit here at the daily time frame chart. So let me just remove the volume so we can have the nice view here on the momentum. And it looks like the bearish pressure is still strong, is still persistent. So if there is any sort of the, let's say, bounce from this level, this can be 56,020. That's the nearest technical resistance, or even 56,503, which is the other technical resistance. So only if we break above these two levels, we can say that the overall outlook might be switching a little bit more to the bullish side. Right now, as you remember, from this low to this high, there was a 61% retracement, and now when we got rejected from the 61% of the retracement of the last swing high, then of course we got the confirmation of the movement to the downside, and then extension, few days of the extension as well, bounce, and the big breakout, and the next day big breakout candle. So it all looks like this one should be red as well. It all looks like, despite the fact that the market is under the bearish pressure and the market conditions are still not really in favor of the bulls, there is still room to the downside. There is still some room to the downside that might be used by the bears, and we might see some lower levels. If we apply one more indicator here, if we apply the MN, the moving average, right? So the short-term moving average 9 and 26, as you can see, the price is below all of them. That's obvious. But if we apply 100 or 200 periods moving average, then you can see straight on that we even broke below the 100 periods moving average. So the next target, if we get very bearish on the Bitcoin, might be located roughly around the level of 50,000. This level here might be used as the local technical support. It's 49,073 euro. Nevertheless, it's still above the 200 period moving average. 47,773 is the 200 periods moving average. It's a very important moving average, and as long as we trade above 100 or 200 period moving average, the outlook remains bearish. For now, it's not that obvious. However, please notice that this is only the first touch of the 100 periods moving average. We have a breakout, we have the confirmed daily close. Nevertheless, due to the almost extremely oversold situation here, we might see some bounce towards the technical resistance, and we might see some sort of the breakout back above the 100 periods moving average. So the battle of 100 periods moving average is still ongoing. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.